Lovely fans. Two old men, when they go carry Imirimiri sisters, when Imirimiri sisters don't frustrate their life, sat down, now me Edochie matter, now they gonna discuss. Wonder shall never end. My people, make una carry share, carry joko. Another one don't land again. Another one don't land from the enemy's camp. Una remember this yo friend. This yo friend is a bad influence. There are some friends that you would think that they love you, but they will always lead you to the wrong path. Many people, they believe, say, no friend can tell me what to do. Many friends can manipulate. Even if they cannot control you, they can manipulate you with their advice. Same way advice you say, Juju Ekwensu na be the best. Say make you continue with Juju Ekwensu. Meanwhile, in the friend Juju Ekwensu sister, Betty abandon Juju Ekwensu sister, run go meet his wife. Betty tell you say make you continue with Juju Ekwensu. Help you destroy in marriage. The man don't come with another advice again. The man don't come with another one. This time around, na me Edochie matter. Now these two efulefu carry put for table, come they discuss. My lovely fans, wetin me Edochie no go see, remain one for you want. May Edochie need to be very, very careful. Extreme careful. You see yo. This man called yo. He never ready to give up on me Edochie matter. This time around, na a friend, na he come give yo advice. And the reason why he make this a friend give yo advice, make I show now. Then we go come back and talk.
Yes, this is Queen May bringing you logistics solution from JetPass Logistics, and this is JetPass Logistics in China. We are in Yiwu, and we also have an office in Foshan, Guangzhou, Foshan. So if you buy stuff from China, this is your shop plug to ship. You see all these goods here? These goods are going to these metals. They are going to Ivory Coast. That's Côte d'Ivoire. That's where they are going to. And you see those ones behind? All these cartons you see here, they are going to, is it church for Alaba? I can see Alaba there. They are going to Alaba. They are going to Alaba. So if you are shopping in China, if you are trading from China, if you buy anything from China, you see the numbers on the screen and in the caption, just hold on those numbers, and your goods will be sent from anywhere in China. We will deliver to Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Cameroon, Ivory Coast safely. JetPass, we do like 4 or 5 containers in a day. Trucks are loading left, right, and center. All these goods, they are leaving today. This morning now, you see they'll come and load everything. So they'll get to you in no time. And of course, our rates they're not compare our rates. So today, in case you don't know it now. This is our Yiwu office. Yiwu.
Now watch that video of me Edochie. That video, now Igbo man don't go look. You know, say Igbo men, they know they use container till they play. Now that container business now, that container wey me Edochie don't talk, don't bust their head. Yo, when you go meet this a friend, because everybody don't abandon her. When they tell a friend, say, this whole thing they affect her. He just they claim Odogu because he no wants me people know his weak points. He no know what to do anymore. This whole thing is eating him up. Now a friend can tell and say, make he go beg me Edochie. Make he pass back, make he go beg. Say me Edochie get soft heart. Me Edochie mind not strong. Say make you go beg me Edochie. May try me settle with me Edochie. May try make it bring peace. The only thing we go calm everybody voice now. Say now make yo go settle with me Edochie. Now you can't tell this friend say mbano, e no go work. Say me Edochie no go come back, no go hear contact. Safe to say me Edochie go settle with her. With wetin him papa do. By this time and me Edochie for that day together. He say me Edochie no go work. Now a friend can't tell you say, if you no agree physical, you go agree spiritual now. Now a friend can't tell and say, this everybody they tell me Edochie say, me Edochie abeg, she no hear. Use the spiritual way to beg her. Now you say how? Now a friend tell you say which one be how? You know they see wetin your wife carry. Container. Your wife is an ambassador of people where they ship container. And you dey here, they do nothing. Do you know if you are me Edochie settle? That container business alone, it goes. That container business alone, you don't balance. She will put you through in China. She will give you the connection of these container people. She will, in short, if you settle with me Edochie, this your life way don't bend so you go balance. You Edochie can say, you can say, in the think am. He say no be say he no dey think am. He say but the thing wey dey be say this woman don't move on. This woman no send down. This woman no send down. Now a friend tell her say, go do something. Go spiritual. As me Edochie no 1 year physical, go spiritual. Now a friend can tell her say, he be no one person wait for fear help you. But that person, na person where they do clean work. I wish na the time where you and me Edochie still dey together. Say una never get this quarrel. If for carry you go there, that man for fit tie. This divorce for no happen. Now this friend can tell her say, but as it is now, he no fit carry you go meet that pastor. Because that pastor no go support. He go say the woman spirit not great. He no know where he go carry you go. I wish he know another strong place. If for carry you go. Now you can say he know one place. He know one strong native daughter. When Juju Ekwensu carry and go, when they do something for her, say the native daughter strong well. He say remember very well. Say that time when they take go that native daughter do that thing. That thing where they go for, he work for her. Say the native daughter na very strong native daughter. Now he come beg his friend. Say but his friend go follow her. Only one no enter bush. Now a friend goes, okay, problem no dey. Now 2 of the feast dates. 2 grown old men. Feast dates. When they want to go see native daughter. For who? For me, Edochie head. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please, if you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, subscription is free. Please subscribe. Thumbs up for my video. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty bless you all. Amen. My people, 2 old men, they can't ready enter bush because of me, Edochie. Sometimes you would think you don't have enemy. You would think, oh, nobody even send me. People send you. People send you. If person tell me Edochie say you go waka inside bush because of a matter, she fit us say no, the man don't already start family. The man don't already move on with his life. But what she don't know, those people who you think say they don't move on, some of them, they know they ever move on. Especially when they make the wrong choice. When it go they affect them every day of their life. Now you and the best friend go that native daughter. Carry me Edochie picture, carry everything about me Edochie go meet native daughter. As they reach there, now they tell the native daughter. Tell the native daughter say, they want to make the native daughter do charm. Charm, make it baff you. Make it baff am. So that if his ex-wife see her, he go fall in love with her. If his ex-wife see her, he go come back to her. Because he don't beg. He don't do everything possible. This woman no 1 year. So he don't sit down, he think and he reason and say, the best solution for her not to use the traditional, not to use juju. Now he make her come here. Say make the native daughter Bikono. Make it please. Make it do this one for her. Say he go come back. Come do big Thanksgiving for them. make his wife just dey see am, make he dey love am, make he dey see only his face. Native doctor do the charm, make it strong, so that May Edochie no go get mouth to even reject am. She no go get voice to reject am. Once May Edochie dey see am, dey fall in love. Strong charm, strong love charm. Now the native doctor tell you say, make you no worry. Say that one a small thing. Say that one a small thing for her to do. Say, do you have the picture? You say yes. I say, give me the picture. Say, do you have anything pertaining to her? You say yes. You give them May Edochie clothes. You dey see life. Now my husband, now my wife, I trust him. We tell each other everything. We do things together. Sometimes they think, say, if things go bad, wetin this man fit do me? Like May Edochie always say, when things dey sweet, always think, if it goes wrong, what will happen? You see, this woman now my husband, now I call her that time. You know say my husband, he don't carry a cloth. As he dey comot, he dey pack the woman cloth. When he want they use till they do bad thing. Where you for see May Edochie cloth? If not be say the ones when he pass back here thief for May Edochie house, when he wanted they harm this woman. Come carry May Edochie cloth. Come carry May Edochie picture. Come give native doctor. Now native doctor come begin dey do incantation. For where native doctor they do incantation, we not know wetin happen. Now native doctor tell you say, you no fit continue with this work. Now you say why? They need this thing, Baba, do it for us. Baba say no fit do this work. He no fit at all. This woman wey dey here, you need to go and beg her. No be do charm against her. If he do this charm for you, before you comot for this bush, something will strike you. He says something will strike you. You no go even see leg till reach house. He said no be this woman. Say wetin be her name? He can't tell her. It's okay. Make you check him again. He can't carry the picture. Carry May Edochie name. Call for inside shrine. For inside their shrine. Now they say how far 2 old the full go. They can't begin. The native doctor can't begin doing incantation. As native doctor doing incantation finish, now the thing when the first thing still repeat itself. Now the native doctor tell you say no. This woman, there is nothing you can do to her. Nothing, absolutely nothing. The only thing where I go advise you now, go beg this woman. Go beg this woman. Because as you did, so your life can never be balanced. Hey! He said your life can never be balanced. He said your life not go settle again. Until you go beg May Edochie. He said, see wetin they see. He said you offended this woman. You cause a lot of damage to this woman. He said, go and beg. Waiting that they tell her for years, say, you go beg this woman. Not become add problem, join your problem. This one what you can't do now, you are adding problem to your problem. He said, this woman will be say, even God himself is standing for her. Say, go and beg. Go and beg. He no fit do anything for you. All the things where you do this woman, go and beg her. If you want your life to balance, if you want your life to stand, if you want good things to come to you, say go and beg. The only solution to your problem, go and beg this woman. Not just beg, make sure this woman forgive you from her heart. He said, make sure say this woman forgive you from her heart. He said, he see this woman with tears. See this woman who picking for hand, she dey cry. Now I come ask you say, how many children they born? You can tell her. He say 4, say 1 by. Now the native doctor say, okay. Now that one now she dey carry for hand. Till they cry. And that tears now they work against you. Say the tears now they work against you. Now I tell you say, come, make he advise you. Not let anybody deceive you. If anybody tell you, say, go another native doctor. And that native doctor tell you, say, go work for you. If you dare try anything against this woman, you will run kolo. You will run kolo meter. He says spiritually, they don't throw kolo meter for you. anything wey make am offend me Edochie, anything wey make am try anything against me Edochie, say go kolo. He said now, he said yo. He said leave this woman alone. This woman is not your problem. He said, he tell you, he said leave this woman alone. He said your problem wey dey your head now you need to solve. This one where you carry come meet am, you no need down. He said number one, after your divorce, you will run kilometers. He said some years after the divorce, he said it has already been signed in the spiritual realms. After the divorce, he said it's either you run colo or you'll be crippled. You get one accident. He said you will get one accident. He said go cripple. He said nobody won't do you that thing. He said it's a spiritual curse from the tears of May Edochie. He says it's a spiritual curse from the tears of May Edochie when she lost her son. He said you go and beg that woman. He said you go and beg that woman. What do you need to do now? Every morning you wake up, not even pray to God, just kneel down. They beg, they send her a picture. They send her the video where you tell them kneel down. They beg her. He said because your life, it bent. Your life turned upside down. The native doctor tell you say in the spiritual realms, he say your life turned upside down. He say life not straight, it bend. He say it turned upside down. He said many things shall befall you. He said the moment the divorce is finalized, he said he said few years, he said you will feel it. He said what will befall you? He said you will regret and cry. He said go and work on yourself. Leave that woman alone. Because the more you try to harm that woman, the more damage control you cause for yourself. Now I can't give me Edochie picture. Give her a cloth back. Say go back home and apologize. He said that woman tears every night. Now she dey cry. She hold her pikin for hand. She dey cry on top of that child. Say no mother is made to cry that tears in the spiritual realms. Go and beg her. Run, go ask. Go start to the beg. My lovely fans. Now you and the friends, they can't come out there. As they come out, this friends can't tell you say, make they go another place. Say make they go another place. Say this native daughter, he no get the power. There is nothing when Juju no fit do. Nothing when Juju no fit do. Instead of the man to tell them say, he no get power like that. He dey lie give you say, go and beg me Edochie, wish me Edochie. I beg nothing they do. You people know they divorce. Why must you divorce? You can't the colo or you can't cripple. I beg nothing they happen. We will go another place. They say you say no. You know they go another place. He say no they go. According to you say no be this native daughter be the first person when he tell her this word. He say one woman of God fair warner. Say the day we go divorce. Say now two things now go happen to her. It's either he colo or he go cripple. He say not take that woman of God serious. He say Lizzie Gold, constantly carry her go one place. He say they still see this same vision for her. They tell her say your doom will start after your divorce. He said they tell her say just they do holiday now, just they enjoy. Now your time you dey now. But the moment the divorce is finalized, two things will happen to you. You will struggle and suffer. It will start from square one. Then number two will colo or it will remain in a wheelchair. He said that one another place where Lizzie Gold carry and go. He said when that man talk that, now he tell Lizzie Gold say, he not believe this man. He said now Lizzie Gold come tell and say, In get one place, another pastor, man of God again. Let us visit that pastor. We just tell him to pray for you. If the pastor talk, if the pastor see the same vision, that means it's real. But if that pastor not see the vision, that means na lie they lie. He said they can't go meet this pastor. Ask the pastor to pray for him. A very powerful man of God again. He said that man of God pray for her. The man of God tell her, say, go and beg your wife. May she forgive you before the divorce take place. Before una end this divorce. Because after the divorce, it's either you kolo or you remain in a wheelchair. He see you more in a wheelchair. In a wheelchair. Say, go and beg your wife. Go and apologize to your wife. He said that was the second place where Lazy Goat carry and go. He said now they still come here, the same thing. He said no, this whole thing is no longer a joke. This thing not be joke again. That means this thing where the retellance is there, it go truly happen to her. Now you say no, they do. He said as the one now so say make it remove hand for me Edochie body. He said don't remove hand. Now he carry the picture, put his side back, carry the cloth, put his side back. He said no carry me Edochie go anywhere again. He said because this warning has been coming up in different places. That means it is something that will happen. This friend come begin to tell you, you say, you. I thought you are a strong man. I thought you are a strong man. Because all these people just see this vision for you. Now you they talk, say, you believe. What do they believe? Believe all these pastors at your own risk. No worry, you go ask somebody. You get another strong man again. You go carry you go there. You go carry you go meet that strong man. Abi, you know they see container. You know they see me Edochie with container. Hey, you know they see me Edochie say don't get connection for China. Wetin go uplift you? Your enemy they block road. Then they use kolo and wheelchair till they deceive you. They won't use kolo metals and wheelchair till block your success. All in the name say you run kolo or you go there they see you or there they see you for wheelchair. Your friend when they tell you, you say stand up. And since she says she will not accept you physically, spiritually she will accept you. No worry, you can get where another place when you go carry you go. Me Edochie have to be very careful, be very prayerful, because these people they are not ready to give up. Container, me Edochie China connection. Now they still they cry for now. Now they cry for. You see, I say the enemy not they sleep inside bush. I don't know what to make them not catch you for the inside bush. Now they take go see native doctor. They enter bush. That is how desperate they are. Now we be say people know the great enter bush. Una ato you enter bush just because of me Edochie. They won't pin her down. They won't control her. They won't take over again. But the God of me Edochie pass all of them. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.